Uncover the secrets of an extraordinary institution dedicated to inspiring deeper thoughts about science. The Royal Institution, a beacon of knowledge, continues to impact science and education globally. Since 1936, the mesmerizing Christmas lectures have been captivating audiences, illuminating the wonders of science. Within the Royal Institution lies the Faraday Museum, showcasing over 200 years of groundbreaking scientific achievement. Visitors explore the rich history of the Royal Institution and the scientists whose discoveries shaped the world. However, the Royal Institution faced challenges managing its digital presence amid a complex Google Ads account. With over 1,000 campaigns, they sought a digital partner to streamline their advertising strategy. Diginius emerged as a solution, redefining advertising priorities to focus on upcoming events and lectures. Through sophisticated strategies, Diginius transformed the ads into targeted campaigns, boosting relevant site traffic significantly. Join the journey of innovation and discover how data-driven strategies can revolutionize your digital marketing.